SSCP communication. There are two controllers in the solution which should exchange data. Mark 150-485 has mapped the prog1 program, while Mark 320 has mapped the prog2 program. The controllers will communicate values of two variables to each other. Create a channel at the PLC, which will be the client PLC. Set the communication protocol to SSCP. SSCP protocol uses TCP as a transfer protocol. Add a device to a SSCP channel. Fill in the SSCP parameters in the device properties. The source PLC is used to read variables from, in this example, Mark 320. Endpoint, hardware configuration, PLC network settings will be used. Deploy. Parameters for connection to the PLC are used. Custom. Customize settings of PLC parameters. Device address, SSCP address of the PLC. Username and password are SSCP credentials to the PLC, full access, full control, or read-only. Add a read and write group to the device. Set write-only in the group write properties. Add data points for reading and writing. Add group to data point. The variable can be generated automatically, autogen, or mapped manually. I/O to ST maps a variable for reading, while ST to I/O maps a variable for writing. A variable from the Mark 150-485 controller is mapped. Select the source variable from the Mark 320 data point list. Set the write group to the I/O write data point. The variable can be generated automatically, autogen, or mapped manually. If the variable is mapped manually, it has to be mapped at ST to I/O. Select a variable from the Mark 150-485 controller. Select the source variable from the Mark 320 data point list. Upload the solution. After writing into the prom2 variable, which is in the client controller Mark 150-485, will this value be propagated in the prom4 variable, which is in the server PLC Mark 320. Similarly, the other way around. Write a value to the prom3 variable and it will propagate into the client controller variable prom1.